By the end of this lesson, you will read new Korean letters. No memorizing. Let's go. Remember the secret of Hangul. Each letter is shaped like your mouth when you say it. Here is the letter.
giyeoksiot,
As a final consonant, sounds like K. Here is the letter.
nieunjieut,
As a final consonant, sounds like N. Here is the letter.
nieunhieut,
As a final consonant, sounds like N. Put a consonant and a vowel together and you get a syllable. Like building blocks. Your turn. Read these out loud. Pause if you need to. Amazing. You just learned 3 consonants. You can already read more Korean than yesterday. Now lock it in. Go to korean.weasim.com. Free practice, no sign up. The link is below.